Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. So this week you will be finishing up with your first speech by submitting your past, present, future reflection and also by peer reviewing 2 of your classmates' speeches. So once we finish those up, you'll want to make sure that you've recorded and submitted your Marshmallow Challenge activity. And you'll remember that I am looking at your nonverbal communication and listening in that activity. So I'm really assessing you on how well you manage the conversation and how well you engage with the people you're working with. Your next task is to read the textbook, chapters 9 and 10, related to group work, then complete the quizzes, and then you're going to contribute to a leadership discussion that will occur with a small group from the class. This small group from the class is your group for the rest of the course and the rest of the group work that you'll be doing in the course. Once you've completed that Marshmallow Challenge activity, the next major activity is your group speech, which you will submit as a group at the end of the class. We'll be doing activities in the next few weeks to build up to it, but you will be working with this set of people that you do the leadership discussion with for the rest of the quarter. In task 4, you'll continue working with that group. You want to review the tools for group work and collaboration video I've made for you to show you kind of how the group space works and what options you have for collaborating together. And then the list that I refer to in that video is listed here, so you have the links there. Then you'll want to talk to your group about how comfortable you're feeling about the technology that you can use and that you might use. And then as a group, you'll want to figure out how to use that technology to select a group name. So you're going to have to take a lot more initiative now to interact with each other. This week, the module is pretty constructed and tells you exactly in what ways and when to connect with each other. But in future modules, you're going to have to make those choices on your own. So along those same lines, you're going to want to prepare for the things you have to do next week as a group. So this lunar survival activity is something you will do as a group, and you might want to pick a time this week, in week 6, for week 7, when you'll be able to meet synchronously on the internet to do so. And then, of course, you'll need to submit a reflection on your Marshmallow Challenge activity. So that's what the week looks like. We're getting going on group work. It's going to be trying, but also hopefully successful and interesting for you. As always, I'm here to answer questions or concerns that you have, and have a great week.